Welcome everyone. We have been discussing about the passive structure. तो सबसे पहले मैं बताया था only transitive verbs can be changed into passive. What is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? Transitive verb is a verb which needs an object to complete the meaning. लेकिन intransitive verbs do not need an object. वर्ब के साथ वाट और हम क्वेश्चन लगा के देखना. Then he opened the door. In this sentence, he is the subject. Opened is the verb. He opened what? So the door is the object. There are two different kinds of objects. One direct object and the second one indirect object. What answers direct object and whom answers indirect object. Then, सबसे पहले identification of objects. Number two, identification of objects as singular or plural. Number three, identification of auxiliary verbs. Number four, arrange auxiliary verbs according to this object. How many auxiliary verbs are there? There are 24 auxiliary verbs. Among the 24 auxiliary verbs, 11 are primary, 13 are modals. इस आम और बास वर्ग के साथ हम जोड़ेंगे being. खास खाब खाड़ के साथ हम जोड़ेंगे being. Modals and two group के साथ, two group means is to, are to, was to, were to, has to, have to, had to, going to, about to. इसके साथ be. लेकिन do और does है तो do does को remove करना, उसी जगह पे is और are यूज करना. According to the object. Object singular है तो is, plural है तो are. डिड है तो डिड को हटा के उसी जगह पे वास और वर यूज करना. एंड अगर सेंटेंस के अंदर डू डिड डस है तो आंसर में बी बीइंग बी नहीं आएगा. देन ओनली ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू पासिव. सबसे पहले ये देखना जरूरी है वर्ब ट्रांसिटिव है या नहीं. और सबसे पहले सेंटेंस का पहला शब्द को देखना. वी कैन ऑलरेडी सी वन सब्जेक्ट से शुरू होते हैं. नंबर टू ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से शुरू होते हैं. नंबर थ्री वर्ड से शुरू होगा. नंबर फोर हु से शुरू होने वाला क्वेश्चंस. नंबर फाइव व्हेन, where, why, how. Then number 6 which से शुरू होते हैं. Number 7 verb या don't से शुरू होते हैं. Number 8 let से शुरू होते हैं. So हम ये step by step पढ़ेंगे. So first of all we are going to discuss the sentences beginning with subject. इसका रूल है सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट लिखना, उसके बाद ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, देन बी बीइंग बी, अगर जरूरत है तो थर्ड वर्ब बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट. राघव हैज finished the work. Raghav has finished the work. Who? Raghav. The word answers who, that is the subject. Raghav has finished what? The work. So the work is object. सबसे पहले object को आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया. नंबर टू ऑब्जेक्ट एक वचने बहुवचने देखना. The work it is singular. Then auxiliary verb has itself is singular. Then arrange auxiliary verb according to object. Object be singular है, auxiliary verb be singular. So there is no need. सबसे पहले object, the work. Then auxiliary verb has. Has के साथ क्या जोड़ेगा? Been. Verb का तीसरा form. Finish, finished, finished. By राघव. अगर सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे ही है तो it will be changed into him. she है तो will be changed into her. we है तो us. they है तो them. I है तो me. Now look at the second question. He delivered the letters. सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करना. He delivered what? He delivered the letters. Object. Object here is plural. वो दो बात हो गया. Next thing, auxiliary verb. There is no auxiliary verb. As I have told you, अगर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं है तो वर्ब के अंदर से ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को निकालना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट वर्ब के अंदर डू, सेकंड वर्ब के अंदर डिड, यस वर्ब के अंदर डस. डिलीवर्ड सेकंड फॉर्म है, उसके अंदर छुपा हुआ ऑक्सिलरी डिड है. आपको पता है डिड है तो वी यूज वाज और वर. हियर ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल सो वी गॉट द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. नाउ राइट द आंसर. ऑब्जेक्ट the letters. Auxiliary verb were. Be being been नहीं आएगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर did छुपा हुआ है. थर्ड वर्ब delivered by. He changes into him. She makes delicious items. She makes delicious items. She makes what? Delicious items. That is object. Delicious items. That is plural. Object आ गया. And we got that it is plural. Now next step, identification of auxiliary verb. No auxiliary verb present. Makes ends with yes, so उसके अंदर auxiliary does, and you know that does या तो does replace करेगा by is or are. इधर object है plural है, so you got the auxiliary verb are. Answer. Delicious items. Auxiliary verb are. Then can we use be being been? No. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर 10 है तो आंसर में बी बिग भी नहीं आएगा. एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब मेक मेड बाय शी चेंजेस इनटू हर. दे कंस्ट्रक्टेड ये ब्रिज. They constructed a bridge. They constructed what? A bridge is the object. Is it singular or plural? It is no doubt singular. Next one, identification of auxiliary verb. Can you see any auxiliary verb? No. Constructed is the second verb. So, you got the auxiliary verb did. And we know that अगर did है तो did will be replaced by was or were. Either object is singular है, so you got the auxiliary verb was. So the answer, a bridge was. be being been नहीं आएगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर did है. कंस्ट्रक्टेड का तीसरा फॉर्म constructed by them. Now look at the next question. She will send the parcel. She will send the parcel. What is the object? She will send what? So the parcel is the object here. Is it singular or plural? No doubt, it is singular. What is the auxiliary verb? Will. Will के लिए singular plural नहीं होते. So you can write the answer. Object, the parcel, auxiliary verb will. Will के साथ यूज करेगा. Be send का तीसरा फॉर्म sent by her. He will arrange the party. He will arrange what? The party. The party is the object. It is singular. लेकिन मॉडल के लिए सिंगुलर प्लूरल देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है क्योंकि उसमें चेंजेस नहीं होते. द पार्टी विल बी अरेंज्ड बाय हिम. शी इज making, so stitching. She is stitching a shirt. Look at the question. She is stitching a shirt. What is the object? A shirt. It is singular. Auxiliary verb is. Answer, object. A shirt is. इसके साथ being stitched by her. So did you get it? Now we are going to discuss the second pattern. अगर sentence auxiliary verb से शुरू होगा तो क्या करना है? auxiliary verb से शुरू होगा तो सबसे पहले आपको auxiliary verb लिखना पड़ेगा. Then object, then be being been plus third verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. Question mark क्यों? क्योंकि auxiliary verb से जो sentence आते वो interrogation है. Look at the sentence. Does she write short stories? Does she write what? Short stories. So short stories object है, plural है. What is the auxiliary verb? It is does. And आपको पता है does है तो it will be replaced by is or are. Here, since it is plural, we have to use plural are. सबसे पहले auxiliary verb लिखना are, object short stories. Then no need to write be being been क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर does है तो आंसर में be being been नहीं आएगा. थर्ड वर्ब written by her. Are they discussing the matter? Are they discussing the matter? What is the object? Are they discussing what? The matter. The matter is the object. Is it singular or plural? No doubt. It is singular. What is the auxiliary verb? Are. Are is plural. So, matter singular है. So, we have to take the singular form of are. That is. Is the matter. Question के अंदर do, did, does नहीं है. So, we have to use be, being, been. इसके साथ यूज करेगा being discussed by them. So look at the question. Did the men clean the rooms? Did the men clean the rooms? Clean what? The rooms. So what is the object? The rooms. Is it singular or plural? No doubt rooms से plural है. What is the auxiliary verb? Did. आपको पता है did है तो did will be replaced by was or were. Either plural है, so we have to take the plural. Were the rooms. Can we use be being been? No, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर did है. Were the rooms cleaned by the men? Question mark. Does he repair televisions? Does he repair televisions? Does he repair what televisions? Is it singular or plural? No doubt it is plural. What is the auxiliary verb? Does. Does है तो it will be replaced by is or are. What is the object? Televisions. Plural है. Are object. Televisions. Then be being भी नहीं आएगा. Repair का तीसरा फॉर्म. Repaired by him. Question mark. Will he correct the errors? Will he correct the errors? Auxiliary verb will. Objects, the errors, will के साथ यूज करेगा. Be correct, corrected by him. Did you get it? So in this pattern, 4 sentences starting with auxiliary verb. सबसे पहले auxiliary verb लिखना, then objects, then be being been, then third verb, then by plus subject plus question mark. Now see, how can the sentences begin with what be changed into passive? अगर इंट्रोगेशन की शुरुआत में what है तो वो sentences कैसे passive करेंगे? सबसे पहले what लिखना, what के बाद singular auxiliary verb, then be being been plus third verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. And I have already said among the 24 auxiliary verbs, 4 are singular, 4 are plural. Is, was, has, does. They are singular. Are, were, have, do are plural. तो इसमें we have to use singular auxiliary verb. Are है तो is लिखना, were है तो was लिखना, have है तो has लिखना, do है तो does लिखना. बाकी किसी में कोई चेंज नहीं, वो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. What have they described? What तो लिख लिया. Then have itself is plural, so हमें have का singular लिखना पड़ेगा. What has के साथ यूज करेगा been. What has been described by them. What do they make? What auxiliary verb is do? अगर do है तो it will be replaced by is or are. Is singular or plural? हमें इधर is singular लिखना पड़ेगा. What is? Then be being भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर do है. वर्ब का तीसरा फॉर्म made by them. Question mark. What can we do? What can we do? Either can is the auxiliary verb, do is the verb. अगर देखना ये कंफ्यूज नहीं करना, ये do इधर auxiliary verb नहीं है. Can is the auxiliary verb and do is the verb which means करना. Do, did, done. What लिख लिया? auxiliary verb can के साथ यूज करेगा can be. Do का तीसरा फॉर्म done by we, us. So it is very necessary to learn all the three forms of verb. Three form नहीं है. Actually verb has four forms: present, past, past participle and present participle. ing verb. लेकिन हर एक वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म तक सीखना वेरी नेसेसरी है. What were they planting? What तो लिख लिया. Then we have to use singular auxiliary verb. Verb का singular was. What was? Then being planted by some. What has the teacher taught? What has the teacher taught? What तो लिख लिया. Has itself is singular. What has के साथ been तीसरा फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब taught by the teacher. So we have already discussed the three types of questions. One beginning with the subject. Second one beginning with the auxiliary verbs. Number three beginning with the what. Now we are going to discuss about the sentences starting with who. अगर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में who है तो how these sentences can be changed into passive. सबसे पहले who है तो सबसे पहले लिखना by whom. Then auxiliary verb, object, be being been plus third verb plus question mark. By whom, auxiliary verb, object plus be being been plus third verb plus question mark. Look at the question. The man, who drew this beautiful picture? Who drew this beautiful picture? So here, object beautiful picture. Who है तो by whom. What is the auxiliary verb? No, drew. Second verb. Second verb है तो did है तो was or were. So what is the object here? Beautiful picture. By whom was this beautiful picture? Then इसके अंदर did आ गया तो be नहीं आएगा. Draw, drew, drawn. So look at the variation. अगर ये क्वेश्चन by who drew these beautiful pictures तब इधर was बदलेगा were में जाएगा. By whom were these beautiful pictures drawn? Who can lift this heavy luggage? Who है तो by whom? What is the auxiliary verb? Can. What is the object? This heavy luggage. Can के साथ किस करेगा? Be. Lift का तीसरा form lifted. So did you get it? सबसे पहले by whom, then auxiliary verb, then object, then be, being, plus third verb, plus question mark. Who was painting the furniture? Furniture singular है. By whom was the furniture was के साथ being painted? Who treats patients? Who treats the patients? In the sentence, object patients, plural. Who है तो by whom. What is the auxiliary verb? No auxiliary verb. Treats ends with yes. तब does. Does है तो is or are. The object is patients plural. By whom are patients treated. So we have discussed 4 different question patterns. Number 1 starting with the subject. Next one starting with the auxiliary verb. Next starting with the what. Next one start with the who. I think you have got a clear idea. And बाकी pattern हम बाद में discuss करेंगे. And let us see in the next class. Thank you.